Hi, and welcome to the next topic of this module. Now in this topic, we will learn about how do we integrate the alert dialog within our own JavaFX application. Now first of all, how does the alert dialog look like? If you click on this Apple icon and click on About this Mac, then this is again the dialog pane. And if I go to IntelliJ IDE Help menu and click on Licenses, so here we have again the alert dialog that displays some information with buttons at the bottom. If you click on OK and cancel, it will simply close the dialog like this. So we are about to integrate the alert dialog within our own application. Now if you remember, in our about app method we have to write our code. So down below we have our about application method here. Now if you notice, it took a while to find this method about application that was present down below, right? Because we have written a lot of code within our Java file. Now in IntelliJ IDE, we have a shortcut to collapse all the methods such as main, init and so on. So beside each of these methods, you will find this collapse icon. If you click here, it will simply collapse the main method. Similarly, you can collapse the init method as well, like this. Now, if you want to collapse all the method at one go, then you can simply press Command Shift minus in Mac, and in case you are using Windows, then simply press Control Shift minus. It will actually collapse all the methods, and you can easily find out which method you are looking for. I am looking for this about application method. Now in case you want to expand all the methods at one go, then you can simply press Command Shift plus. In Mac and in Windows you can press Control Shift plus. It will again expand all the methods. So right now let us collapse all, Command Shift minus, and then we want to write our code within this about application method. So simply expand it. So here let us write our code. Now in JavaFX, we have a class of alert. From the package of javafx.scene.control, simply select it and then define the variable name. Let's call it alert dialog equal to new alert. Now within the constructor of the alert, you have to specify what type of alert dialog you want to have. For now, let us type alert again from javafx.scene.control dot alert type and then give the type of alert dialog. Right now let us select information. There are many other variants as well, such as warning, error, confirmation and so on and so forth. So right now let us select information, and then you can set the title for this alert dialog by using setTitle method. And I will pass here my first desktop application, because this is our really first desktop application that we have built so far. Pretty awesome. And then set the header text as Learning JavaFX. Now this header text is basically the subtitle. So I am giving my subtitle as Learning JavaFX. And then you can also set the description by using alert dialog.set content text. Basically, we are writing some content within our dialog. So here I will write, I am just a beginner, but soon I will be pro, and start developing awesome Java games. So some random description I have given it here, like this. And then finally, to make your dialog appear in front of the user, again you need to use the show method. So alert dialog.show. Now, in order to make your application visible in front of the user, we actually used the start method, and within the start method, we used stage.show method. Now similarly, for the dialog as well, we need to use the alert dialog.show. Let us now launch our application and let's see what happens. And click on Help, About, And there we go, this is our alert dialog in front of us. My first desktop application, learning JavaFX, and this is our content text, that is the description. Now here if you notice we have some icon and at the bottom we have a button. On click of this it simply exit the dialog. So let us talk about this icon and also this button in the next video.